channel. My name is anna-monroee, and if this is your first time stopping by, yeah, welcome guys. Yeah, so today I have an idea. I just really got in front of my camera and I wanted to film, I wanted to talk, you know. I have an idea what we're going to be calling this look, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. Oh, I already did figure it out anyways. It's right there, yeah. So please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification, just hit the bell so you can get updates every time. The bell is somewhere around here, I think, so you can get updates every time I post a new video. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media handles. It's just right here, you know. So if you want to see how I achieve this, guys, please keep watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Oh, I already said that anyway. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. So yes guys, I actually haven't filmed in such a long time, because actually I did film a few videos and all of that good stuff, but I did not like the camera quality, so I'm hoping this actually comes out nice. I already sort of tested this out, like filmed a short video and tested this out, and it didn't look so bad, so I'm hoping it works out. And aside that, I've been feeling so not motivated, unmotivated. If there's actually a word like unmotivated, I have an idea, but that's just how I've been feeling. Because, well, I did start YouTube due to the fact that, oh yeah, I love to talk. Yeah, so I just sort of found it like as an avenue to talk and all that. And I like makeup, so I'm like, okay, I could incorporate this and do my makeup, that kind of thing. So that was the reason actually. So yeah, but with having a YouTube channel and wanting to be known for it comes with creating content, all that. So that's currently where I am. The fact that creating content is great. I mean, I have a few YouTubers I actually love to watch here on YouTube. Like if you check my go on my YouTube, you'd see some saved pages. Yeah, I do love so many people's video. Like someone who I've been getting so much inspiration from is Taylor Make Jane. Trust me guys, she's the absolute best. So yeah, I started talking with a few people, you know, about the whole YouTube concept in general and all of that stuff. So it was great because everyone's like, you need to create content, you need to do this, you need to do that, blah 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 blah. So most times I just want to actually film and record, and the process is so long, and I'm in a small space. I stay in a really small space, so I do not have like a permanent setup and all that. Hey. So it was Cardi B's birthday yesterday, guys. If you know me, if you follow me on my social media channels, you know I go crazy. You know, the bitch gonna have beef with me. She gonna have beef with me forever. I mean, I just really love her. She's great. She's awesome. I'm going to highlight my face with this ColourPop. I'm going to highlight my face with this ColourPop No Filter foundation. Sorry, No Filter concealer. I do like this concealer, but it gives me sort of like a funny because I feel like I have a yellow undertone. So this has sort of like an orange. I don't know the exact color to call this, but it still works. It does still work. So yeah, I mean, that's about it. There's so many new products I actually want to get. Like I'm just looking forward to getting all these products. You know, like makeup is so crazy right now. They keep coming out with new products every day. But I can't wait to try the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer. I mean, I have the Huda Beauty foundation, and anything Huda Beauty comes with coverage. Who's watching Empire? Like Empire is back. I've been following Empire since they started. I mean, I'm currently loving it. Although, you know, some of the series, you know how they go, sometimes they just really take too long. They just drag it, like Grey's Anatomy. I mean, I love Grey's Anatomy. I'll be sad to see it finally come to an end, but it's in damn season 15. Like, who goes all the way to season 15? That's crazy. I'm just gonna put the rest of the concealer and just do like a reverse contour. I never contoured the reverse contour anyways. Just whatever's left on the beauty blender, I just dab that all the way down. So I'm gonna contour a little bit with the Hegai and Esther Face Perfection Kit. I like this. Do I like it? Maybe I like it, but it's too dry, so it comes on like this. Put that here also. And I put that around the perimeters of my head. I have a small forehead, so I don't even try to go overboard. Like, there's so many songs that goes on in my head. Cardi B anyways, that's forever one I'm jamming to. Like, you should see me when I'm driving, just like a party rock star, you know? I just play my song, Mineralized Skin Finish in dark. I just use that to set all over my face before I actually go in to like bake or something. Though I really don't bake, I'm more or less set, so. I set my face with this Sacha Buttercup setting powder. So I just use my beauty blender and I press it in. I press it in and press it in and press it in and press it in. Dun, 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 dun. And I just dab out the excess and go like this. I was filming, it cut off somewhere. I have no idea where it cut off, but I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure it out. But yeah, I did go into the darker shade. Maybe I'll just point that out again. These are the colors I'll be going in with. I'll go in with this, and right after this, I'll go in with this, and then this. So, press that burgundy shade. This palette does have a lot of fallout. So I'm just pressing that burgundy shade anyways. And then I'll start to blend that. It keeps raining. It's not a good time. I don't want. I'm just going to go back in with that first shade I used, the yellow. I don't want to lose that color. Deep. Way too deep. I can't even move that black. Sorry, the brown color around. Cut it. I'm using the P. Louise base. Number 5.
of it already.
I'm messed up in this rain. It really wants to rain. It just wants to rain. I just know what the eyes are looking like, guys, so I'm going to go right ahead and finish up the other eye. I'm gonna go right ahead and line my eyes. Don't line my lashes. I said line my lashes, sorry. So I'm going to be lining my eyes with the Inglot black gel liner in a 77. So I usually just go ahead with this Duralin and pop a bit of it inside, because sometimes this thing dries. So I went ahead and lined my eyes with the Inglot gel liner, and I used the lashes. I used the lashes from BeautyKink. So I'm just going to finish up on my face and contour with the Tati's contour palette, the Tati's X Shayla contour palette, and it looks like this. So I'm going to be using this one. I'm always late for everything, guys. I said I was supposed to be somewhere, and I just checked the time. The meeting actually is for 12, and it's currently past 12. To fix up my brows, just nothing major, just brush the hairs and a bit. I'm using this brow lotion brow pencil from Yanga Beauty. I'll be leaving every product I have used in the description box. I actually filled my brows with the Anastacia Beverly Hills brow pomade in Ebony, and that's the new thing I've been on. I love it actually. Brow gel to put my brows in place. This is the MAC Clear Brow Gel. I'm going to use the same shadows I used on top of my eyes, just right under my eyes. I'll just connect it. So I'm just stamping it. I'm going to set all over my face with the e.l.f. illuminating mist. So I just set that all over my face. Yeah, we really go in when we set our face. Ow! Going with this unbordered from the Perception palette. I just use that to highlight my brow bone. I love a good brow bone highlight, guys. Yeah, I do. Ow! Y'all know I live for a great highlight moment. Yes. Well, I did the most right now. Next, I'm going to go in with this Maybelline mascara. My lips with the Zaron lip liner in Cappuccino per usual. I'm going to be careful lining my lips because if I have a cut, I beat my lips. Yeah. Then I'll go in with this Yanga Beauty liquid lipstick in Nuddy. Last but not the least, I always like a touch of lip gloss. So I'm using this classic Ultra Shine lip gloss. This is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I'm already late for my interview, but you know, I'm looking snatched, yeah. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I hope you guys enjoyed my talk. It wasn't so funny, but anyways, yeah. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so you can get updates every time I post a new video, guys. And leave comments, guys. I actually really want to know what you guys would like to see. Just let me know. I know I'm not consistent, but I would love to. I'm always so excited when I come here. So please, guys, just leave a comment and I would see you in my next video. Bye, guys.